Welcome to lesson number 25. Last lesson we completed in Oauth helper file the authentication method. Now we're going to create one, and if we're quick, even two methods. First one is testing connection. Why we're doing this, name says it all. We're going to test our connection. We're going to call method whenever we need to make sure that our connection works properly. Test connection. We start with printing some information for the user. Now we are testing activity to Schwab. What do we need for this? We will start our very frequently mentioned method code for checking the token validity for this session. If not, self Schwab client excuse me, is token valid, then print no valid token found, and this method will return false. Notice that the result of this method will be Boolean expression. Now we are checking the account access. If this doesn't work, we're checking the account access. Accounts equals to self Schwab client get account info, and if accounts print successful connection test, and let's add an exclamation point. And if so, if account found, we are going to need to show user what we have found really. For account in enumerate accounts, or one. So if no data on accounts, we are going with one. Account hash equals account get value, or account number is another variable we're introducing. It's account get account number, or again unknown, and print with f string account whatever account found. Then we display account number, and after this hash account hash, and this one will count the last, and we'll go 8 digits back, 8 digits right. And in this case our code will return true. So or we'll go with this if and cover this else, print connection failed, and return, surprise, surprise, false. Again, a quick run over the method, what it does, the purpose of it, to test the connection, and basically we are placing it here later on to just call it to see if it works. It checks the token validity, it checks the API connectivity, it checks account permissions, and then parsing the response and displaying to user. Okay, we have time, so let's continue to our next method, which will be checking account balance. Check account balance self, and it will return again boolean. This method is supposed to be in our, for our steps number 8 and 9, which are portfolio review and profit taking. Let's add a quick comment here. Check account balance and run steps portfolio review and profit taking. Now here we come with starting with print statement as usual, providing status update. Check account balance. Again, we'll just make sure that the token is valid.